Hi guys, my name is Swati. This video has been made for Educademy. I will be teaching biology. Okay, first of all today we will discuss about digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is simply a process of breakdown of complex food particles into the simpler ones and further their assimilation and absorption into the blood and the body. Okay, for example, during digestion, proteins, these are the complex micromolecules. Okay, we take proteins from various sources like pulses, okay, and cheese, one such example of protein, okay, soya bean. These complex macromolecules, when we consume them, they are broken down into the simpler forms such as amino acids. Okay, so this breakdown of protein into amino acids takes place during the process of digestion. Okay, what basically our digestive system contains? Okay, our digestive system consists of various organs, okay, that we all know, such as large intestine, small intestine, our stomach, esophagus. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about alimentary canal. Okay, our alimentary canal, it begins from mouth, as we all know. Okay, it begins from our mouth. This is the esophagus, stomach, okay, pancreas, I'm not that good at making diagrams, so please excuse. These are large intestines, okay, and here somewhat here is our liver. This is called duodenum, okay, and this portion here, this forms the small intestine, okay, then small intestine leads to large intestine, and here it is anus, rectum, okay, this is stomach, this is large intestine, this is our liver, it has a small gallbladder inside, okay, this is pancreas, okay, then yeah, this is the overview of our alimentary canal. Okay, I hope the diagram is understood a bit. Okay, so first of all we will talk about our mouth. Okay, our mouth consists of various salivary glands. Okay, basically three pairs of salivary glands are present. One is the parotid pair. Okay, parotid pair is present in the cheeks here. Okay, the other is submandibular, it is present in the lower jaw, okay, here, sorry, here, and the other one is sublingual, it is present below the tongue. Okay, so these three glands in our mouth produce salivary glands. Produce saliva, sorry, these three salivary glands produce saliva. Okay, what does saliva does? We all know that when we chew our food, saliva softens our food. Okay, it converts it into soft soluble type material that can be easily taken down through the esophagus, and then it becomes easier for the stomach and the intestine to digest the food bolus. Okay, salivary gland consists of saliva. After that our mouth opens into a pharynx. Okay, माउथ के बाद आ जाता है आपका pharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for food and air. Okay, so when we eat or we breathe, the breath or the food passes through the pharynx. Okay, further pharynx opens into esophagus and trachea. Okay, so trachea takes the air into the lungs. Okay, the passage divides here. Further, the esophagus, it takes the food into the stomach. Okay, this is the passage of food in the stomach, and there it goes. Okay, in the small intestine, in the large intestine, digested and all that process. Okay, so in the mouth we also have tongue. Okay, we all know टंग में क्या होता है, टंग पे आपके टेस्ट बर्ड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ओके, सो टेस्ट बर्ड्स हेल्प यू टू टेस्ट द फूड. ओके, दीज आर पैपिले लाइक स्मॉल perforations on the tongue. Okay, that help you to taste the food, like sweet है, salty है या spicy है. Okay, so those taste buds help you to taste that food. Besides, our mouth also consists of डेंटिशन. ओके, डेंटिशन क्या होता है, मतलब जो भी आपके टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ओके, पहले आपके टेम्पररी टीथ आते हैं जिनको आप मिल्क टीथ भी बोलते हो. उसके बाद आपके परमानेंट टीथ आते हैं आफ्टर द मिल्क टीथ आर ब्रोकन. ओके, परमानेंट टीथ. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ डेंटिशन इज कॉल्ड एज heterodont dentition. Okay, why heterodont? Because in one span of life we have temporary teeth, and after that the temporary teeth fall off and are replaced by permanent teeth. Okay, so this is called as heterodont dentition. Besides, our teeth are called as thecodont. Okay, थीकोडोंट का मतलब होता है कि जैसे हमारे टीथ होते हैं, दे आर एम्बेडेड इन द सॉकेट. ओके, सो दैट टाइप ऑफ डेंटिशन, दैट पैटर्न ऑफ embedment of tooth into the socket is called as thecodont. I would say organization of tooth into socket or jawbone. Okay, this is called as thecodont. So permanent teeth consists of incisors, canines, premolars और उसके बाद आ जाते हैं आपके molars. Okay, and this is your dental formula 2 1 2 3, that is 2 incisors, okay, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. ठीक है, ये अपर जॉ में भी सेम 2 1 2 3 होते हैं और लोअर जॉ में भी आपके 2 1 2 3 होते हैं. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका माउथ का. माउथ में आप फूड जब खाते हो, द टीथ हेल्प यू टू बाइट द फूड, chew the food. Okay, after that saliva released from the salivary glands. आपको पता है जैसे ही हम खाना खाते हैं तो हमारे माउथ में सलाइवा बहुत ज़्यादा माउथ में रिलीज होता है. that makes the food particles soft. Okay, and also lead to small digestion. Okay, starch जो है वो हमारे सलाइवा में अमाइलेज प्रेजेंट होता है जो स्टार्च को कन्वर्ट कर देता है सिंपल शुगर्स में. ओके, so that occurs in our mouth due to saliva. After that comes the esophagus. Okay, esophagus leads to the stomach. So in this section we will study only about the stomach. Okay, so stomach has 3 main parts. This one is called as fundus, This one is called as cardiac, and the last one is called as pyloric. Okay, so these three parts are present in the stomach. The stomach is present in the upper left abdomen. Okay, it is a sac-like structure where the food is acted upon by the various acids such as hydrochloric acid, etc. Okay, so esophagus leads to the stomach. Okay, so after that, fundus and the pyloric open into small intestine. Okay, here they lead to, from here they lead to small intestine. Okay, so this is about stomach. Okay, so the inner lining of the stomach, has, this is the inner lining. It has brush like projections that helps in the easy passage of food all through the stomach. Okay, after the stomach, comes the small intestine. ओके, फिर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन जो है आपका, इट लीड्स टू लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. Okay, firstly we will study about the small intestine. Okay, this portion is called as jejunum. This portion is called as ileum. Okay, ileum is highly coiled. Highly coiled portion. Ileum opens into, here you see ileum is opening into large intestine. Okay, so ileum opens into large intestine. Large intestine has this is moving like this. Okay, this is moving in this way such that it opens into anus or the rectum. Okay, so this is called as ascending. This is the large intestine, the outer one is the large intestine. This is called as ascending colon. Okay, this one is called as transverse colon, and this one is called as it is descending towards the anus, it is called as descending colon. Besides, our large intestine has a small part here called as cecum. Okay, it consists of microorganisms that aid in digestion and maintain the good flora in the stomach. Okay, so besides there is a one vestigial, it's not that big. Okay, there is a small vestigial organ जिसको हम कहते हैं वर्मीफॉर्म अपेंडिक्स. ओके, ये अर्ली मैन में यूज किया जाता था. वर्मीफॉर्म अपेंडिक्स जो है, जब वो रॉ फ्रूट्स, सॉरी नॉट रॉ फ्रूट्स, रॉ वेजिटेबल्स या घास वगैरह जब खाते थे तो उसको डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए आपका वर्मीफोर्म अपेंडिक्स यूज होता था, बट अभी ये वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन हो चुका है, ठीक है, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर मोस्टली ईटिंग द कुक्ड फूड, so it has become the vestigial organ. Okay, vestigial means no longer in use. So this is the vermiform appendix. Okay, and this large intestine opens into anus through rectum. Okay, so besides beneath the stomach, beneath the, ऐसे स्टमक होता है, इसके नीचे यहाँ पे ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट होता है, इसको आप बोलते हो पेनक्रियास. ओके, इट इज एक्सोक्राइन इन फंक्शन एज वेल एज एंडोक्राइन. ठीक है, एक्सोक्राइन और एंडोक्राइन का क्या मतलब हुआ? दीज आर द ग्लैंड्स दैट सिक्रीट द हॉर्मोन्स. ओके, एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड मतलब इट इज अ डक्टलेस, डक्ट बेयरिंग ग्लैंड. ओके, और एंडोक्राइन जो होते हैं वो डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जो अपनी सिक्रीशंस जो है वो जहाँ पे वो रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं वहीं पे रिलीज करते हैं, और एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जो अपनी लोकेलिटी में ही सिक्रीशन कर देते हैं. ठीक है, सो जो एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स होते हैं और जो एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स होते हैं, पेनक्रिया मोस्टली ये डिफरेंट होते हैं, बट पैनक्रियाज इज अ वन ऑर्गन दैट एक्ट्स बोथ एज एन एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड एंड एन एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड. ओके, पैनक्रियाज का जो एंडोक्राइन पोर्शन होता है, इट सिक्रीट्स एंजाइम्स and the exocrine portion secretes hormones. Okay, so this is about your pancreas. Okay, also there is one organ called as liver. ये बाइलोब्ड ऑर्गन होता है. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होता है, ये बाइल प्रोड्यूस करता है. इसमें हिपैटिक लोब्यूल्स होते हैं. ठीक है, हिपैटिक लोब्यूल्स जो होते हैं आपके वो ओपन कर वो सिक्रीट करते हैं आपका बाइल. ठीक है, बाइल जो है वो आपका जूस होता है. बाइल इज अ सॉरी इन बाइल इज अ solution or a liquid secreted by the liver. Okay, it helps in the digestion of the food. Okay, normally we call it as the bile juice. तो जब बाइल रिलीज होता है वो स्टोर होता है यहाँ पे आपका गॉल ब्लैडर में. गॉल ब्लैडर में आपका बाइल सिक्रीट हो गया, सॉरी स्टोर हो गया. उसके बाद ये जो है वो आपका बाइल और गॉल ब्लैडर मिलके एक कॉमन डक्ट बनाते हैं. ओके, इस